This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, and here's a tip if you're running out of storage space on your Mac and you use Dropbox. Let's get started. So go to the Mac taskbar or the menu bar, whatever they call this at the top, and find the Dropbox icon. It looks like a little box. Click on that, and then click on the photo for your account. You'll see an option that says Manage Hard Drive Space. Select that, and you'll come to this page. And this is a really telling view into how you're using Dropbox. So the way Dropbox works is you have the option of syncing Dropbox files to your hard drive or just keeping them online. And this is showing that I have 146.92 gigabytes of files and folders synced from Dropbox to my hard drive. And it's giving me the option to actually move them to online only. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take these two files, or let's say 3 files. So together, this is the equivalent of 1 gigabyte. And I'm going to click the button that says Move to Online Only. So I've just reduced success. You've saved 1.15 gigabytes of hard drive space. That's great. I can even also just completely move folders over. And there used to be a process, or maybe there still is, I haven't looked into it for a while, where you could decide which folders you want to sync. This is just a shortcut to just moving certain folders over to Dropbox Online Only. So for instance, let's say I wanted to take this consulting folder. It's 6.26 gigabytes. So I could just move it to online only, and that would save me 6 gigabytes of space on my Mac hard drive. So this is a really easy way to maybe free up some space on your Mac hard drive. I hope it helped. If it did, please take a moment to like the video and follow me. I'll see you next time.